Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to your Shopify dashboard, and then you have to simply go to navigation under online store. So you have to click on online store and then go to navigation, and then here you have to simply click on main menu, and then here simply click on add menu item, and then here you have to give it a name, but I'm going to name it drop-down menu just for this tutorial, but you'll have to enter your name, so drop down menu, and then here it says search or paste a link. Simply click on it and then select homepage, and then simply click on add. Now what you have to do next is simply click on add menu item again, and then simply click on search or paste a link. And here you have to simply add what do you want to add to this drop-down menu. I usually go with pages, so as you can see I've created 3 different pages for this tutorial. So click on page 1, and then you have to simply drag and drop it under drop-down menu like this, and then you have to simply do, and you have to repeat the same thing with other pages. So I'm gonna go and do the same thing to the other 2 like this. Now, if you want, you can simply add, you can simply add your products. So you can simply add all products or specific products to that drop down menu if you want, but I'm gonna add only pages just for this tutorial. Don't forget to save and then simply go to view your store. And as you can see, we have our drop down menu right here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.